Yeah. What's up, YouTube?
What the heck?
We normally make drill raps, but today we're gonna try something new. We're gonna actually basically like troll people in certain worlds.
San Flamingo Abby's Goofy.
What world are we doing?
Black Cat. We're going to the Black Cat today.
We're going to Black Cat's troll people to see if they like our Abby. If they don't like our Abby,
we'll
gonna toast him
if y'all give us 20 views.
If they don't like our Abby, we got a special surprise. So let's go inside of a world. Let's go inside of Black Cat.
Also, we might post some more videos like this. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Tap in.
And it's gonna get real interesting.
Yeah.
Come on. And no, they're not actors with us. Come on, come in this portal, guys. Honestly, I'm actually real excited to do this. Because what is coming with me and my brothers is going to happen.
Not the 15-year-old.
Okay. And I crash sometimes.
Let me show you what it looks like.
Hello, guys. You like our avatar? You like our avatar?
He looks very fruity, actually.
Answer my question.
This is kind of buggy. No, like I can't click on people.
He sounds young.
You like our
A little
avatar?
too young, but he sounds young.
Nigga, listen. You like our avatar?
No,
shut the fuck up. Get out of here.
I
don't know anybody.
You know what? I have a better idea. Hold on.
You stink like shit. I really feel like the pack of you. Shut your dirty self up.
Okay, do
You
you
look
like
like a
him?
deflated
What's your
marshmallow
thought?
nasty boy
Hey,
talking about
look, I'm gonna block you for 2 seconds, pretty girl. Give me 1 second.
not so pretty girl.
Who blocked?
Hey, Devil, do you like our Abbies?
Oh, no one blocked.
Kid, heat cup.
You like me and my homies Abbies?
Yeah? No?
Why nobody answered?
Do you like
There's a lot of people there.
Do you like our Abbies?
Hey.
Well, you ugly too.
Hey, sir. Hey, sir. If y'all don't mind,
Wait, y'all don't mind? Can we show y'all a little dance? Can we show y'all a little dance? Why? Sorry, it crashed me. It crashed me from vrchat. I am mad as F. And I want some Wingstop today, so like, not gonna be that hard. Let's like, I gotta invite him anyways. It's not gonna be that bad. I got crashed, guys. They crashed me. They insta-crashed me from the server. Yes, YouTube. They did not play about getting packed in the Black Cat. So we're going to try something new this time. This exact time is when we're going to try something new. And how you like his dance moves? Hey, go at it. Go at it. Ace, 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 ace.
He's just standing back there like he's just.
Cell phone. So how you like us? How you like my new dance? Y'all tell me in the comments how y'all like my new dance. So we're gonna do it in optimized box now. Or optimized box or McDonald's?
You should ask him.
I'm gonna go ahead and get on.
But that's stupid, bro. They thought I was trying to crash them.
Optimized box.
I was really finna say you like an acoustic giraffe with a nose piercing. Funny. Yeah, let's go optimize box. But we gotta be careful on who we pack. We gotta be careful on who we pack. Cause optimized box be always having Packers.
Now we doing McDonald's, bro.
Where to? Yeah. You know, we all know McDonald's don't got no Packers.
I mean, it might. But hold up. What's wrong with my mirror thing?
But still, I can still send people the photos that she sended me.
Alright. So we're going to McDonald's to annoy some people.
If you want photos of booties, follow
guys.
Silverback Gorilla on Snapchat.
Yeah, Snapchat. And yes. And we're gonna troll. So remember, we got crashed in Black Cat. Now let's see what happens in McDonald's. Okay, I'm waiting for this to happen. I love this. I got crashed the first time. Insta crash. Someone used to crashing. And for those that have the VR, add me on vrchat. My name is Cole K Rose VR 4. Cole K Rose 4.
I have that.
E99. So,
Well, after all, you're just weak.
Wait,
so
turn on. You want to see mine? You want to see what mine can do? You want to see what mine can do? Turn on my avatar.
I need some females for my roleplay video, bro. Pause.
Oh yeah.
You want to see what mine can do?
Totally.
you like my avatar?
Let me in right now. Let me in, man. Let me in. Yeah, let me in.
You like my avatar? You like my avatar? You like my avatar, man?
Wait.
Huh, do you like my domain? Oh my gosh.
Yo, where'd he go?
You like my avatar?
Yo, where'd he go?
Someone. Yo, bro, we
Is that a Fortnite skin?
You like my avatar?
Chicken on Popeyes.
Yo.
No.
Wait, I need to go find my bro.
Yo, had this shit like an avocado. Stop talking. I'm ready to get the packing on you. This is the surprise, guys. I'm ready to get the packing on you. Shut your dirty self up. You think
Hey!
I'm ready to get the packing on you.
Wait, hold on. That's the whole play for today.
I have a question for you.
You look like a deep fried.
I heard that you're strong.
Yeah, I'm not fighting.
Okay, let's fight.
No, I'm not fighting.
Yo,
I'm doing a video.
Hey, where you
What?
guys become birds at? That's
You
not
doing
fair. I
a
want to be
video?
a bird.
Kid Rose, let me be in your YouTube video, sir. Let me be in your YouTube video, sir.
Okay.
I need to be in it.
Sir,
Okay? Put me in the YouTube video right now, sir.
Alright.
right now. Ending.
Okay? Am I in it yet?
Yes, you're in it.
Okay, good.
I will cry.
I hope it gets a lot of likes.
Yeah, I hope it does too.
I hope I'll smack that like button, bro. I'll smash
Yo,
that
you
like
got
button on your
another bird
YouTube
skin?
video.
Yo, cool kid, you got another bird skin?
Yeah, somebody else is using it. Kamari, my friend. Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. Do you like the way I look? Do you like me? Do you like the way I look?
Don't you holler at me and shit.
I know you like Warner Brothers.
Hey,
But
nigga, you won't let that shit blow. You a pussy.
My friend's right here.
You a pussy. I said you a pussy. You won't let that shit blow.
You shut your dirty self up. You say like everything. I don't even get the pack like you. Y'all had this shit like a.
But you have to take a breath after every sentence you speak, bro. Don't speak to me. Don't speak to me.
He said he don't like that loud.
Run away, pussy, pussy ass
You
nigga.
thought you should attack my friend. You thought you should attack my friend.
I'm sorry.
Get on your ass, boy. Your ass smell like blunt toast, fuck ass boy. Get on your ass, boy. The back of your neck.
Holy fuck, bro. Oh my gosh, thank God. Nigga, be yourself. Be yourself, pussy ass nigga.
I'm being myself, but
You're not over the age of 12, nigga.
So while they handle him, I'm gonna go in and ask more people. Do they like my avatar?
You can't open them enough,
Do y'all like my avatar?
my honest reaction, I don't give two.
That's a picture. And you're freaking bad.
in the thing.
All right, Big Ken.
Spit on him.
All right, guys. No more packing. No more packing. We're gonna do the final. We're gonna do the final world.
ketchup. I took out all the ketchup and I blended it and then I filled it back
That's a good character.
This is the boys' bathroom.
Now I'm gonna go in the closet.
So we're going to the final level.
No one follow me.
Yep, the final level, YouTube. The final level is we're going to optimize box where the real Packers are. So we're gonna get at these honey bun head ass kids. It look like deep fried toaster strudels. And they look like Whopper. And they look like Whopper milk dud balls. So let's go.
Whopper milk bread.
So we're going to get optimized box for our last level. Okay, did I just see Reggie Rock?
But I'm not gonna lie. After we do Optimus Box, we should go back to Prismic Avatar World and it should be Ninja Turtles in a minute. Not gonna lie.
I can make another video with us being Ninja Turtles. And also, next video, we're going to be Ninja Turtles. Kamari. Okay, so this was the most toxic YouTube game I've ever been in.
And I got that whip.
No, not go to McDonald's. Don't go to McDonald's.
Where are the others?
This is the moment we've been waiting for. The finale in the most aggressive place. They're just gonna say no on purpose. Honestly, they're just gonna say no on purpose.
No smack talk, bro. He likes to think.
Hey, do y'all like my avatar?
Fuck somebody dildo. 100%.
Do y'all like my avatar?
She fucks him with her dildo.
No, fuck you and your avatar. Your
You're
avatar sucks
stupid.
dick.
Shut your dirty self up. You
Alright,
stink
shut your lame ass up. Stupid ass
like shit. I
nigga.
really feel
What
get the
the
pack
fuck?
like you look like a chocolate face. You know that. Shut your dirty self up.
Oh no, do we have a tweet?
You look like Samuel. You look like Sonic. No, you're not talking. You look like a cockeyed spider without legs. I know you're not talking. You look like a acoustic chimpanzee.
Promise you this guy.
Wait,
Do you have a job, my
you look like
nigga?
a bloody tampon with Lyme disease. You was not talking. Say you
look like a
Chain
bitch.
on my neck.
You look
The
like a
chain
bitch.
that's
You
currently
look
sitting on my neck.
nigga, you get a lap dance by a fucking cockroach. Shut your lame ass up, nigga. Your ass look like a tampon with a side piece of boosie. Stupid ass.
Does he not realize that
What are
chain
you
on my
talking
neck
about,
is the
bro?
same price as that headset?
Do you not realize that you hang on my ball sack, you lame piece of shit?
I don't think he realizes it.
I guess
I'm
he
saying,
don't
like-
like. I guess they don't like our avatar. So
What are you talking about?
Run out of saying fucking
talking to you.
Explain to me how I'm lame.
I'm not good with
Explain.
Hey, do y'all like my avatar?
No.
I'm finna get the package. Shut your dirty self up. You stink like shit. You look like an oatmeal cream pie. Nasty neck ass nigga. I know you was not talking. Your head is shit like a cosmic brownie. Nasty fuck nigga. Talking about. Shut your dirty self up.
I'm really on your shit, nigga. You look like an Amazon package. Yo, stanky ass nigga. I'm really finna get in your boom boom boy lap dancing ass boy. Shut your stupid ass up, nigga.
You was not talking. You got no
I'm really finna get on your
talk.
ugly line, nigga. I'm really finna get on. Oh my god, let me hit the gritty and then I'm gonna pass it to my bro. Stupid ass nigga. I'm really finna get on your vine dancing ass, bro. Shut your lame ass up, nigga. You still work at Musically. Ugly ass
I
little
love
girl.
how they
Stupid ass
all
little girl.
sound like they're talking with an oatmeal cream pie in their mouth.
Shut your dirty
So
self up. You only said
I love
oatmeal
how you're
cream pie
talking
because I
when
said
you
that.
smell like
Stop
ball
talking.
sack.
Okay, guys,
Oh,
come
not
on,
funny
Big
with
Ken.
your
Come on, Big
packaging.
Ken. Let's come right here.
Bro, shut your
Okay,
lame ass
so
up. You come in out of nowhere.
Oh,
you
Money
shut your
can't come
bald
here.
ass
Yeah,
up,
I
lame
came
ass
out of
little
Guys,
girl.
everyone come here.
What you're doing wrong with
So
your
this is the don't pack him no more. Don't pack him no
You're a
more.
homeless bastard.
It's the end of the
You're a
video.
homeless bastard. Shut up talking to me.
I'm very homeless.
Stand in
I
the
have
video.
no money in
It's
my
the end
hand.
of the video.
Yeah, you
My
are.
bad.
So shut your lame ass up, bro.
All I
have no
gotta
money.
say
You
is
sound
my
like you
bad
can't
for
even have
roasting
any
y'all
money in your
because it was just for a video.
Hey, tell your
Yeah,
boyfriend to
we're doing that for a
unmute
video.
me,
We're
For my
please.
sorry.
boyfriend.
Can you tell your boyfriend?
Boyfriend,
No,
nigga,
that is
your
your
ass
boyfriend.
is a faggot orangutan. Shut up.
So thank you for watching the video, and hope y'all subscribe
No way, people
and like
actually
the
watch
video.
this video.
And
If you're
Well,
watching that
next-
video, please
next
study
time-
hard in school. Please go get a life. Please don't
and
watch
next
these schools.
time, let me meet her.
Thanks.
Next
And
time.
next time, we'll be Ninja Turtles, and it's gonna be me this time. Money K joined late, that's why he didn't become a monster person. So
Bro, shut your lame
it's
ass
just
up,
gonna
bored
be-
ass nigga.
So it's gonna be
Cause you keep me to
me,
shut
Money
the fuck up.
K, Big Hen, and
No, shut up, bro. Fucking lame. You're fucking lame. Shut up.
Kamari. That's
Shut up,
gonna
you're
be the
lame.
monster. That's gonna be Ninja Turtles.
Nigga, don't you have
So,
a whole gay
next-
side group, you
in
stupid
next
nigga? Shut up.
Video.
Faggot.
Goodbye.
Yeah, so shut the
See
hell
y'all
up, you
later.
fucking faggot.